Hello, what's up everybody? I am actually making this video to explain to you guys how YouTube pay. Okay, so if you are interested to know how YouTube pay, make sure you watch this video from now to the end so that you would understand really well. Okay, so here is my channel, and then you can see my channel analytics in the last 28 days. So I have over 16,000 views, and then I have 492 watch hours in the last 28 days. And then here is my subscriber count, and then here is my estimated revenue, which means the amount I have made within the last 28 days. All right, so I want to explain to you guys how this actually work out. Okay, so if you have been hearing about YouTube monetization and you're interested to know exactly how much they pay per 1,000 views or 100 views, this video is exactly the type of video you will need. And then if you watch this video without skipping, you would understand everything about YouTube. So here is my YouTube studio. So in case you don't have it, you can go have it installed from your Google Play Store or from your App Store. All right, so now let me start to explain how YouTube monetization work. Okay, so here is my content tab, and then I want to be showing you guys my content, and then I would like to sort my content. All right, so I'll click on sort by, and then click on most viewed videos. Okay, so you can see these are my most viewed videos. I'll be going with the video with the highest view, which is 94,000 views, to show you how much I made in this particular video. All right, so I want you to pay attention and also understand. Okay, now let me click on this video that has 94,000 views. All right, please don't panic. Do not panic. Do not think that YouTube does not pay a very huge amount of money. You can see I have 94,000 views, and you see I have $12 not actually 94,000 views that gave me $12. Okay, so I want you to let's click on view more. All right, so I got monetized in, let's say I got monetized in July. All right, so now let's scroll to this part and then let's click on revenue. All right, so now I have clicked on revenue. I am going to click on estimated revenue. All right, so let's click on estimated revenue. You can see that I have $12. All right, so let's see the particular it's not up to 3 months, because if I click on last 90 days, it remains $12. But I will not click on that because it's not up to 3 months as far as I'm making this video now. Okay, so let's click on this month. I got monetized in July. Let's say July. So in July I made $7. You can see I made $7.24, and then August I made $4.15. So let us check the views, how many views that actually got us $7. So let's go back and then go to reach, and then now I'm going to click on overview, then click on view, and then click on the July month, and then you can see with 6,000 views I got $7 with 6,000 views. That means it's actually, you can do the calculation. All right, so I want you to also keep watching so that I'll show you guys some things. Okay, so you can see that this video is very okay. Let's check out this other video. This video that has 400 views. You can see this video has 400 views, how to use Uber. Okay, let's click on it, and then let's click on go to video analytics, and then here we go to click on revenue, and then we made $4 out of this video. And then let's scroll down, let's see the amount of views that, okay, let's just say that in 400 views we got $4. Yeah, I think so, because I made this video when I was monetized, so there's nothing to shake on this. So this is how YouTube pays. All right, so there's something really called RPM and CPM. in every video there must be RPM and CPM. So let's let's scroll down and then let me show you guys the RPM. So the RPM of this video is $9, which is every 1,000 views, every 1k views, I will make $9. Then how much advertisers pay for ads on my video, which is the CPN, they pay $14 to place advert on this video. So for each 1,000 ad views, I'll make $14. So that is for the RPM and CPM. I think you understand. So now let's go back and then let me show you guys that RPM differs. Different videos with different RPM and different videos with different CPM. And then let's check out the video that had over 94,000 views. So let's go to revenue for this video and then let's go down, and then here you can see the revenue for every 1k views is 0.14 cent. You can see that it's very low, very low. For 1k views in this particular video, I make 0.14 cent. And then in this other video, in the CPN, in the CPN for this same video, I make $2 for every 1k advert views. I make only $2. That's very low. So I don't know how or what they look after, or what they look on, or what they try to get in a video before they will increase the RPM or CPM. So if I get the update, I would like to share with you guys, but I'm sure that this video has explained some few things that you might be asking about YouTube monetization. So if you have any other thing to ask, you can drop that in the comment section, and then we can discuss that. And then that's it for today. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more important information. So guys, peace out.